Hi everyone, I'm back and I have two more journals that are going to be listed in my Etsy shop. I'll go through them as quick as I can, and yes, they're just travelers notebooks and they are just lovely, loving them. So let me just quickly flip through these. So we have this lovely image here on some lace, a gorgeous fabric ruffle with some trim, some lovely lace on here, and just lovely cardstock. Then I have pink organza ribbon, and it's an eyelet closure. In here I have a fabric pocket with some ephemera, and this is using a kit from Artie Mays, and I cannot remember what it's called. I will put it in the listing below. I've got this lovely gorgeous yellow trim there, lace trim, a tuck spot there with some ephemera, a little flip, fold out a little pocket there with more of the kit with some fabric there. And this is an old book page from 1852 that I've made into these pockets. So there's one on either side, and we have some journaling space there. Another pocket with some fabric, a tag, and a little fold out piece of ephemera. Coffee dyed paper, and these pages are from the kit. And then we have another a little tuck spot there with a photo and some more ephemera. Lots of little pockets here, lots of little fabric pieces as well, some grid paper, coffee dyed paper, vintage book pages. This is a book page corner flip with some clusters of fabric and paper and ephemera. And this one is Tracy Fox. This one, I'm not sure where I got that one from. And pages from the kit. And we have some coffee dyed paper at the centre. And then we have these lovely journaling pages. This actually just flips out if you want. And it's just got some old ephemera and a Project Life journaling card. And then this is a fold out pocket, and there's lots of little bits of ephemera in here. So lots of places for you to write all your secrets on. And we have another little tuck spot here with some more fabric ruffles, and this is one of my tags that I made, and a little postcard. Look at that little dinky doo postcard, so cute. And some more ephemera, another tuck spot, more ephemera there. And then that's the other side of that pocket with some more ephemera in there. And a little fold out. This is a check, I believe. Is this a check or... oh no, it's not. It's an invoice from 1915. So cute. And some ephemera there. Coffee dyed paper from the kit. Then in the back we have one of the large pockets with a large tag. And that is that. I'm not sure how many pages, but I will put the amount of pages on the listing on my Etsy shop. So that is the first one. She's so pretty. I love these colours, pinks and blues together, beautiful. And then I have this one, which has been made from wallpaper, and just loving how that's turned out. And these lovely applique flowers and some lace trim, and like I said, this wallpaper is just gorgeous, absolutely love it. And then some white organza ribbon, and this one does have some dangles on there, some bead dangles on there, just so cute, love the dangles. And then inside we've got one of my book plate pockets and a lovely cute tag. That's from Artie Mays. And then I think this is, I'm not sure actually. Well, this one I had started to make up a long time ago, so I will find out who the journaling kit is from. I think, I'm not sure actually, I don't want to say because I'm not sure. It will either be Tsunami Rose or Artie Mays, but I will list it in the thing below. We've got lots of ephemera here, a little tuck spot pocket. This might be Artie Mays, I think. Not sure. It's Artie Mays or Tsunami Rose anyway. Just beautiful. This is a page from a vintage book. And actually, no, this isn't an overly old book, I should say, this one. Not overly old, probably 1970s or something like that. And then we have one of my fabric pockets with some ephemera in. And then a lovely flowered book page, love it. Some bird ephemera in there. And then here is a little book page pocket that flips up, and it has a little ladybird charm and a little pocket here with a couple of bits of ephemera, another pocket there, and then of course you've got the pocket behind. And I have done some stenciling in this one. I forget sometimes to do stenciling, don't do it in all of them. Some old music paper, and then we have a tuck spot pocket, and this was a new stamp that I got recently, which I thought was adorable. And then we have some fabric trim, some lovely flower trim there, and some fabric trim there. And coffee dyed paper. And then this is in the center. I've actually made a pocket this time, and I have put some, that's Tracy Fox, and a little postcard there, and just some lace cluster. And that is actually quite old vintage lace on there, and some lace trim, and that is the center of the signature. I've done some stenciling, and then that's another tag stamp that I got, which I love, and some ephemera. Let's get that back in. And some fabric trim, music pages, a book page pocket flip, and some ephemera. And then the other side of that flower page with some more lace on. That's from Artie Mays. That does open, but I'm not going to open it right now. And some more printables there. Another flip out pocket, and you've got this is one of my vintage photographs that I made into a tag, and then a couple of pieces of ephemera. And of course that does open out, so you can write in there if you want to. And then we have the other side of that fairy page, book page, coffee dyed paper, the journal kit, a glassine bag there, which you can hide something in if you want. And at the back we have, this is made from wallpaper, and some lovely lace and flower trim, and a piece of ephemera made into a tag. So those are my latest two journals, and they will be on my Etsy shop later on today. If you are interested in one of these journals and you don't see them on my shop, please contact me, because it may be that I just haven't listed them yet, because I've got a few videos to do today. So if not, they will be on there in the next day or two. So I'm going to love you and leave you now for the weekend. I've got lots of uploading to do, and more crafting, and oh my goodness me, so much to do. Hope that you're all getting ready for Christmas. I'm nearly there, And later on in the week, I do have some exciting news to tell you all, but I'm not going to tell you right now. I'm going to make you wait. And that was my tummy grumbling. Oh my goodness me. Ready for some toast, I think. Right, my lovelies, I shall see you all very soon. Have a lovely rest of the weekend. Take care. Bye-bye.